Test after repair. One oh five. 105.
The waivers you can get now, like Trinidad. Factor created Fame Factor. Fame Factor is just Berg after call. And 21-year-old.
Listen, Amy.
Morning.
You're Caleb. Listener funded. And what that means is something special to me. We're not run by shareholders
Test pass.
or the need to sell a certain amount of